guys, we are looking for a way to convert your Solana into USDT, then this is the right video for you. If you are using a Phantom wallet, or maybe you now send your Solana from your Phantom wallet to Bybit, this is how you are going to convert it and sell it on whatever platform you want to do. So first thing you have to do is to go to your account and go to your Unify account, whatever where the coin is. If you want to use it, you can use convert, but I don't know the reason why I hate convert. So if you now use convert, this is $34.8. If I decide to use conversion, okay, and I want to convert it into USDT that you normally use, okay, I'm going to click on max. No, let us select the account, which is the okay, this account. So I'm going to select max, which means I'm going to get 34.36. Now let us go back to the trading itself. Let's go to the trading. So search for Solana USDT. Now we have 645 and 165. So click on sell. After you click on sell, you are going to click on markets. I normally use market if you want to sell immediately. So let us click and see what we are going to get. So this is the mass sales. Okay, this is mass sell. So when you use the market limit, which is 0.05, and we're trying to sell, we're going to get this amount. Now let us sell our also right now. So as you can see, the order is filled. That means it's already sold. So let us go back and see our USDT. Now we have 634.62 instead of 34.63. Now you are going to move this. If you want to sell it, or if you want to use it to buy another token, you can literally use this place to buy the token. So but for me, I want to move it into my foreign account and sell it, because if you want to sell your USDT, okay, if you want to sell your USDT, here is the way you can do it. Okay, in using the P2P, you are going to click on transfer. First thing, I'm going to move it from Unify account to funding account if it's already in funding Unify account before. Now you are going to click on max and click on confirm. So after you have already confirmed this, like as you can see like this, after you have already confirmed this, now go back to your Unify account. It will be in your Unify account. Okay, so let us go to Unify account, funding account. As you can see right now, here is the money in our funding account. Okay, now let us go back. So we want to sell this thing. Go to your home page and go to more. When you click on more, you are going to see P2P. Okay, this is P2P. Okay, this is P2P under buy crypto. Click on P2P trading. Now, so based on what is happening in Nigeria right now, you have to be careful with who you are going to sell to, because there are some kind of reporting where people will just try to sell their USDT, and maybe at later their account get banned, and someone call for like fraudulent transfer, and the bank block restrict your account. So click on sell. After you click on sell, first thing you want to note is the amount of transfer, like the order method, like the total order that person have. I'm not going with that person that have 121 orders. Like this one is too low for me. So the amount I want to sell, so I want to imagine that $1 is now 1,000 naira. So I want to sell like 30,000 naira right now. Okay, after confirming that, now I see this guy with 122 112 orders. I don't want to sell to him, but this guy I want to sell to him because it has 4,000, and this means it has been on a platform for a while, and this guy has been a platform for a while. So although this guy is like 1,453, which will make at least how much my money, but I prefer when my account is safe. So after click on sell, so as you can see, it's not there again. You have to refresh again to click on. We have this. Okay, this one is not there again, so I'm going to go for this guy and click on all USDT, and boom, click on sell. So they say the order limits. I don't want to go with these guys though. Let me try again. Or sell limited amount as a seed. I don't know what they mean by that though. So we have another one right here. Let's go for this guy. Or so boom, so this is it. and I'm just going to drop my number for him. As you can see now, so this guy is going to send me money. Please note two things from this video. Number one, make sure that person have a lot of transactions. Okay, if I go to our buyer the nickname right now, you will see 3,845 transaction and 90% completion rate. So this is all the order completed, and this is all completed order. I don't know what they mean by that though. And as you can see, everything is available for this man, and this is his latest review, which is today by 8. Okay, so you want to take note of that one. Okay, and the second thing is, after this guy have sent you the money, and after you have gotten the money, like transfer the money, please transfer the money out of your account. That is what the normal Nigeria will do. Transfer that money out of your own account and send it into another account. We call it burner account. Find a burner account. Okay, find a burner account. I'm coming. Let me try to reload it. So you have to find a burner account. So the person I haven't paid yet, you have to find a burner account. Okay, when you get the money, transfer the money and send it out into another wallet, because you don't want to have any issue with the money. So you don't want to lose your account and also lose your money. That would be one of the greatest disadvantage ever. Okay, you want to, even if you lose your account, at least get your money out of it. Okay, so that is it. So that's how you are going to get your money. I'm not open to cancel this transaction because I'm going to need this money. So, and that's it for now. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell, because you don't want to miss another episode. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.